phone left charging in an employee area, a birthday obtained in casual conversation, 4 intimate videos and credit card data forwarded to a coworker's device. The victim did not notice for 2 months.
Yeah,
I used to work at Starbucks, the one in front of TGK on 36th, and I was doing a favor. Sorry.
Okay.
I was doing a favor for one of my friends, and I worked a shift over here on July 11th. And one of the baristas that's currently here right now, he grabbed my phone and he sent himself my credit card information and explicit videos of me and my partner. And I didn't notice till 2 days ago when I cleared out through my deleted messages and I saw himself sending himself the information. I can show you the messages.
Okay. And we checked with her friend that still works here to see if it's his phone.
And I'm sorry about the videos.
No.
786 306 6060.
Did you?
No.
Did you?
No.
It's not there?
Oh, right there. Look. Sorry, I saved the number after the whole thing happened. But that's everything. And then that's my credit card information. And it's in the same stuff.
Okay, so that's your credit card?
Yeah.
And he sent them to himself?
Yeah.
You said? And she has charges. So the credit card? Two. You do?
Yeah.
Do you have those charges? And you said he's right there now? Yeah, he's working right there. What's his name?
Benjamin Alvarez. My roommate is a shift supervisor here, and she spoke to the manager, and they're building a case right now for him to get fired, basically, because he does have like previous history of doing this to somebody else, but I guess they never fired him the first time.
Okay, so when did this happen?
This happened July 11th. At the time, I just moved out recently, so I was working a lot of hours to make like money to move out, and I really after I clocked out that day, I didn't pay any mind to it until I cleaned up my phone recently and I saw the.
Okay, where did he get his phone from? Where did you have the phone at?
The night that happened, I was working at the store and we were making conversation, and he asked me what my birthday was, and I had left my phone charging in the back.
In the back of the store?
Yeah, in the back of the store next to the computer on the left. There's a plug and I left it right there. And then later on, a barista made a comment to me. He was like, oh, he has a record of doing this in the past. And then I noticed my phone wasn't there. Obviously, I was finishing up closing and I was a shift supervisor, so I wasn't paying attention to my phone. I just left it charging. And then later on in the night when I did come back to it, it was there. So I didn't think anything of it. And then I clocked out and I just went to sleep because it was a late night closing shift.
Okay. Was the phone locked or how did he?
It was locked with my birthday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so he asked you for the birthday and then that's what. Okay.
I'm assuming he took it to the bathroom because it was a very short amount of time, but I'm assuming my phone was gone. I don't remember it being gone for that long. Like I came back to it like an hour later and it was there, so I don't think he had it for that long, but when he did have it, I guess he took it to the bathroom and sent himself the information, I'm not sure.
Oh, so the credit card.
Yeah.
How much did they charge?
It's been since July 11th and my credit card was locked for a small amount of time in between. There's a couple charges that I don't recognize. There's cash advances and I maxed it out recently moving out, so that's why he hasn't been able to use it because I've had it maxed out and I haven't paid it.
So which one is on there?
These 3, I don't recognize. 3 square charges.
This 3?
Yeah. And I don't know what he's done with those videos that he has. He's had them for that long and I hadn't noticed, and they were in my hidden folder on my phone, so.
So how did it go? You had your.
Yeah, it's unlocked by your password too.
It was your birthday as well?
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah, that's all I know.
That you don't recognize on your part.
Yeah. I'm not sure if he did anymore. I haven't called my bank. I locked the card, but I've been working and going to school, so I haven't been able to call and see. But I'm not worried about the credit card charges. I'm more worried about the videos and that he did that so easily and so comfortably. Like, it's just wrong to me. And, like, the fact that I just noticed, you know.
Okay, that was about it, right? He didn't do anything on the phone that you don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
You have a Benjamin by any chance? You asked him to come out? Yeah, you remember anything good? Bring yourself? Yeah, come on.
July 11th? I'm not sure.
Do you get somebody's phone and send yourself some pictures, videos? Alright. So what is your phone number of somebody else's phone? So
Not sure.
you don't have no videos of somebody pictures, nothing. Alright. You don't have nothing.
I don't know.
Were you working that day? July 11?
I think so.
Do you mind if I see the phone or?
I mean, sure, but I'm not sure.
You're not sure what?
Like you want to go through my phone now?
Yeah, because somebody's saying that you got somebody's phone and sent yourself some videos and pictures.
I'm not sure. Like I didn't do that.
You didn't do that.
No.
Okay, so if I check the cameras now, it's not gonna be you sending something phone.
Why did you ask somebody for their birthday?
I don't know. Maybe for small talk.
Have you ever had a problem with the Starbucks saying that you're going through something?
I don't know where.
No, so talk to management, they're gonna say you've never had issues with it. Why you going to people's phone? Would you want someone to go through your phone? You seem a little nervous. Why are you nervous?
Sorry?
You seem a little nervous. Why are you nervous?
Just because you get stopped at work.
You guys can stop going to people's phone.
Yeah, that's first. You're gonna get in trouble.
Sorry?
You're gonna get in trouble.
I'm sorry.
And that's illegal. And I'm not saying that it was you, but your phone number is there.
Okay.
Alright? And that person, the pictures that you sent to yourself, or first of all, a credit card.
What?
A credit card. Alright?
Okay.
That somebody's been using it.
Okay.
Alright? That's illegal. Okay? And a split of videos. That's also illegal. Alright? So just letting you know. Alright? You're saying that you have nothing, that it wasn't you.
I don't have that.
Alright. What's your name?
Benjamin Alvarez.
You have me?
Yeah.
Just so you're aware, not saying that you did it. Just so you're aware, when you use someone else's car at any location, right? Detectives can watch cameras at that location to see who used that car at that time. Just so you're aware. You did it.
So, yeah, that's a phone number that is on that person's phone. So how did those videos get to you? And you don't have that phone number on your phone?
No, I don't.
You deleted that message?
I'm not sure what the phone number is.
I mean, it's a credit card.
Yeah.
Picture with displays of videos. Quality side. So, you don't have those messages on your phone anymore?
I don't.
You good, alright?
Sorry?
You good?
I can go?
Yeah, you good.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. What's the matter?
The name, or you want me to grab them?
Yeah, so come on. You alright? Alright. Just wait over there, man. Alright, so have you guys had problems with this person? Him going through somebody else's phone before, or that you're aware of?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm aware.
Do you know if by any chance there's cameras where that?
This building?
Yeah, where the phone was in the back charging.
Correct.
There's cameras, you know, if by any chance on July 11 they will have it.
That exact date?
Yeah,
I'm sure they would.
they will.
I'm sure they would. Because
Who
who
would have access to that? You or?
not me. Probably be the SM, the store manager, or the district.
Yeah. Don't worry, we got it. Okay, store manager, right?
Yes, this is the store manager.
So yes, that you guys have photos with him doing the same thing?
I have heard. I was not there.
You would know this. Oh, but you've heard.
Yeah, at least what? Different.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, wait, I'm sorry, what was that?
Like different, like 2 different instances.
Alright. But you weren't here when that happened.
Yeah.
Do you know if you guys are doing an internal investigation or something?
I know that there was one open. I don't know if it's resolved or closed, but I know for sure that someone had like made a formal complaint.
Okay. Well,
Like there's been something with and some other partners that were here.
Alright, man. So what they're gonna do now is they're gonna go try to make contact with him to see if he was the person.
Okay.
Because we're going based on assumptions, you know, or
Yeah, obviously.
whatnot. We don't have anybody that says you didn't witness it,
Yeah.
or there's nobody that says, hey, I saw him, he does that.
Yeah.
You know, that's just a report that he has. Okay, so as far as your credit card and the fraudulent things that's going on, you already reported to your bank, right? And you're in the process of
Yeah, I canceled it and I'm
you
reporting it
submitted
to
a
my
claim
bank. Yeah.
to now as to the video, that's where we're trying to figure out to see it.
There's a
If
49
it actually says,
alarm.
hey, it was
It's a
me,
general
you know,
fire alarm.
we'll see, we'll go from there.
It'll be at,
Okay, just be
1005
aware of mindful, like
Northwest
whatever you guys
99
do or whatever you guys do, you know, it could always get in the hands of the wrong person. And once it's out in the internet, there's nothing that we could do to bring it back.
Yeah, obviously.
It's already out, you know?
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what the officers, you know, if they're able to get him to say, hey, it was me. If he says, hey, it wasn't me, there's pretty much nothing that we could do about it.
633.
File a police report about it too, so that to check. I don't know.
So what?
Report to check the cameras. Because they have this on the camera.
So how long are those cameras there? How long? 'Cause you
Corporate
said-
has access to the cameras.
Okay.
So you have to like email them for
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a.
Did you guys file a complaint with corporate already with Starbucks?
Yeah.
And what are they telling you?
Yeah, they're fighting.
They're investigating this internally, and there's
Yeah, he has a track record of doing this before.
Okay. All right. So I mean, file police report. We are. Okay, so you are reporting it right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna write something. You know what I'm saying? It's not like we're just trying to brush you off. Hey, we're just, you know.
But if he says he isn't, you guys can't.
We can't force him to like. If you tell me, hey, it wasn't me, I can't force you to be like, yeah, hey, you need to tell me it was you. You get me? Because now I'm violating his rights. You get me? At that point, if he, you know, says, hey, it wasn't me, but you know, who never knows? Maybe he says, yeah, it was me. So at that point, we have something going on. All right, and if he confesses that, hey, yeah, I did get her phone. He did without your consent. He made, you know, went into your phone and did all those things. So then there's something there. Okay. And if you want to press charges, any criminal charges, we'll go ahead and move forward with that. All right. So how many videos was it? One or was it like?
No.
It was like four
videos.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And they were explicit videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, no problem. Is that him?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you were able to identify that. And you said your phone was by the drive-through cashier.
No.
Charging?
In the back.
In the back.
Yeah,
Okay.
next to the computer on the left side.
So there's like
a-
employee
yeah.
area.
But there's, I don't know, I'm not sure there's cameras pointing towards it, but there's cameras around there.
Is there cameras there specifically, or
I'm
that
not
you're aware?
sure.
Okay.
I worked there like 3-4 times. I'm not.
Because you're not part of this.
Yeah, no, I used to work at the other store.
Okay. You don't work for Starbucks anymore.
No, not anymore.
Okay. And what is Starbucks telling you as in regards to this incident?
I mean, they have all the proof and they have the other statement from the other barista who saw my phone was missing as well.
Okay. And what did they tell you?
They're probably gonna go ahead and fire him.
They're gonna fire him?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you just want the videos not to get.
I don't think it's correct that he did that so easily, so comfortably, and that I hadn't noticed till now. And if I would have noticed, what would have happened?
You were the reporters.
Yeah.
Did you come here earlier today or what? No. And how is it that you know it was him?
Because my roommate is a shift supervisor at the Starbucks. I was doing a favor for her. I was covering her shift because she was sick.
Okay.
And she confirmed his phone number in front of me.
Okay. So.
Yeah. They're on a WhatsApp group chat together. Like it's.
So if you put his number, you could be able to see his picture on WhatsApp.
Literally.
Can you show me that?
Yeah, of course. I have all the screenshots. This is his WhatsApp. This is his phone number and his WhatsApp profile open. Him and his girlfriend.
And that's the number that's on the.
Yep, that's the phone number that's on the text as well.
On the text that was sent.
Yeah.
From your phone.
Yeah.
To that number. Nobody else has access to that phone. Or. that you know of?
No idea. I don't know.
No, I'm saying, but like nobody else in there should have access to your phone.
No,
You get me?
nobody. He asked me for my birthday that day. Coincidentally, it is a password to my phone. We were making like regular
talk.
conversation, over the headset because we have headsets. And I was generally just talking to him, and honestly, I didn't pay any mind because I was closing up the store and I was just like, making conversation. But obviously, one thing led to the other.
Okay. And your birthday's July 11th.
No,
What is it?
I changed it just recently because of what happened.
Okay, so but it was incident happened July 11th.
Yeah, the
That's
incident.
why I'm getting confused. Okay, so we're in September 4th.
He's one of the shift supervisors that's worked there kind of like the longest, so he
This
might
guy?
know. Yeah, he might know.
Yeah,
better
because
than
so far,
anybody
just
else.
took a ride on that, don't want.
Yeah.
Track record. And this did happen in this, just to confirm it happened. in
Yeah,
this. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what your guys' policy is with the whole situation because it's supposedly the second time. Yeah, allegedly, that is happening. I would like the highest management to know.
Yeah.
Okay. If you did do it to her, we would say he's gonna do it to someone else, the next person, so a hostile work environment.
Because he said he like asked me to leave, and I'm like, I don't. Cause he like burned his foot just now with like some mop solution, so it's like swollen. I don't know.
He's gonna send you the link. Upload anything that you think will be of any value for this case. Okay.
Okay.
Don't send the videos, explicit videos or whatnot.
No, yeah.
Just anything that you think might help us to link him.
So,
Of course. So they went inside. They spoke to him. Obviously, he's gonna deny everything. However, we are gonna investigate the fraudulent transactions that happened in your credit card. Just like I told you earlier, call your bank. Okay. Now, as far as the video, they're also going to investigate that as well. Okay, because it is a crime. What happened? Okay. They did get the information of Starbucks, so all this will be forwarded to the detective, which will be assigned to the case, and they'll look into it. Okay. All right. So for now, just if you get anything new or you have anything else happens, just call us and let us know. All right. I hope that by us speaking to him, that he probably changes his train of thoughts if it's him.
it is. It was like he seemed suspicious.
I mean, let's say if we suspect, I can't say it's him because we don't know.
Yeah.
But let's say if it was him, by us talking to him, hopefully he has a change of heart and
Alright.
the videos don't go anywhere. Or they just got deleted. Alright? But not saying it was him. Alright?
What a day.
Complicated day, right?
What a day. I went to class,
Been busy today?
learning about physics.
Yeah?
I mean, about particles.
Why?
Because I'm an engineering major.
Oh, no way.
And,
It's good.
yeah. And then,
You like it or not? Alright, if you don't mind me asking, how many videos were there? 4.
When were you deleting your folder?
Sorry?
When was it that you were deleting the folder?
Recovering my deleted message?
Yeah.
Like 2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
So you'll say what, September 2nd?
Yeah. Like this Sunday.
Do they have lockbox containers here? Like while you're working, like their phones?
It's just like the back room with the table and the picture books for the bags and stuff. It's not. Also, my phone was out in the open. My phone was.
I recommend for the future just try to always keep your belongings near you or in your sight because I mean you should feel comfortable leaving it where you want to leave it, though.
Yeah,
You know, run into some issues.
of course.
Are you going back to work or no? Are you going back in?
Oh, yes, that's one of the judges.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have 4 videos on all this.
I haven't called my bank for them to make an investigation. I just locked my credit card.
Yeah, so I would suggest you do that.
Is there unlimited time on the link for the?
So, yeah, that's right. Like I said, you don't have to send the videos. Just
But I get
that.
a couple days?
Okay, the credit card thing.
I'll check if it's.
Yeah.
When you get home, just kind of see what
Yeah,
I'll do that as fast as possible.
and just,
Which federal and state laws apply here? What are the constitutional limits on what officers can demand from a suspect who refuses to cooperate? What distinguishes a case that holds up in court from one that collapses before trial? The legal analysis begins with intent. Eliciting a passcode through conversation before accessing a device is classified as social engineering. Courts treat this as premeditation, not opportunism. The criminal plan existed before the device was touched. That distinction directly affects both the charges available and the defenses that can be raised. The Federal Stored Communications Act, Title 18 United States Code, Section 2701, prohibits unauthorized access to stored electronic communications. The statute applies regardless of the relationship between the parties. Forwarding private content from another person's phone to your own device without authorization satisfies the statutory elements of a federal offense. Florida Statute Section 784.49, Sexual Cyberharassment, criminalizes the non-consensual transmission of sexually explicit material. The offense is complete at the moment of transmission. Distribution to the public is not required. Sending the content to a single device, including your own, constitutes the offense under the plain statutory language. Florida Statute Section 817.61 criminalizes the fraudulent use of another person's credit card information. Successful completion of a transaction is not required. Unauthorized access to the card data combined with evidence of attempted use is sufficient to support a charge under this statute. The Supreme Court held in Schneckloth v. Bustamonte, 412 U.S. 418, 1973. That consent to a warrantless search must be freely and voluntarily given. Coercion or implied compulsion voids consent entirely. A suspect who declines a voluntary phone review is exercising a constitutional right. Officers who continue pressing after a refusal risk invalidating any evidence subsequently obtained. In Riley v. Cast, California, 573 U.S. 373, decided in 2014. The Supreme Court held unanimously that cannot search a cell phone incident to arrest without a warrant. The court reasoned that a modern smartphone holds more private information than an entire home. The warrant requirement for digital devices is a constitutional flaw, not a procedural option. Evidence obtained through a warrantless phone search or through custodial interrogation without Miranda advisement is subject to exclusion at trial under the exclusionary rule. Routing a digital exploitation case to detectives with subpoena authority is not procedural delay. It is the legally correct step to preserve the evidentiary chain. Florida Statute Section 90.404, subsection 2, permits introduction of prior similar acts at trial to establish motive, pattern, and absence of mistake. Prior complaint for identical conduct at the same location directly negates an accident defense. Under this evidentiary rule, the weight of a second incident is not additive. It is transformative. One incident is a claim. Two is a documented pattern. A subpoena issued to a phone carrier produces records without requiring the suspect's cooperation. When the registered number on those records matched the outgoing messages in the victim's deleted folder, circumstantial identification became direct documented evidence. Carrier subpoenas are obtained through court authority and are not subject to Fourth Amendment consent requirements. 3 legal lessons from this case. First, a passcode based on publicly known personal information provides no meaningful protection against a determined insider. Second, unauthorized access is defined by the absence of authorization, not by technical difficulty. A hidden folder behind a second password does not legally protect its contents. Third, in digital crime cases, the victim who preserves evidence before calling police often contributes more to the prosecution than anything officers can collect on scene. 3 charges were filed, but several legal questions remain unresolved. Was the prior complaint documented in a way that satisfies the admissibility standard under Section 90.404? Does the 2-month gap between the incident and the report affect the continuity of the digital evidence chain? And does bypassing a second authentication layer to access a hidden folder establish criminal intent independently of the underlying access charge? The answers will determine whether the case survives the evidentiary challenges that follow.